Well, hello everyone. I'm starting to work on my little cover plates. Well, first I had to redo the kickboard. First I did it out of some thinner wood and it just got too thin and it cracked over by the brake pedal because I had to remove some of the wood there for brake pedal clearance. But anyway, it cracked, so I made another one with thicker wood, more solid wood instead of plywood like the other floor is. But anyway, I got that done. So then I started working on the little cover plates here. What I did is I took my router. First I made the plates and then I marked them out. Took my router, sunk them the depth of the thickness of the plate, and then I drilled and countersunk the plates, countersunk the wood, and then put the screws in. So now they all fit flush. Relatively decent. And later on I'll probably use like some leather to make some covers for those that come, you know, up and then attach here. Some boots. I did my master brake cylinder access, and where the clutch, brake, and steering column go through, I had to use 3 pieces. I didn't router this part, it's not flush, but I did countersink the screws. I used a rubber grommet where the steering shaft goes through, and then these holes here are about as small as I can get them, and not have the clutch and brake hit it as I push it. So that's good. I'm pretty happy with the way those came out. I still have to take them out and paint them and, you know, finish them off, but that's where I'm at with that. So now that that's done and I know how much clearance I'm going to have for my gas pedal, I need to work on that. Now this is the gas pedal from the 39 Ford donor car, and what I've already done is I went ahead, it was quite a bit wider than this, I went ahead and shortened it, put a sleeve over that, and now I've got to shorten the throttle arm itself, where the throttle for the carbs, the linkage will come through that hole right there, and I've got to lower this ball down to that hole, and then I've got to reshape the pedal arm, and then I'm going to make a little spoon pedal for it too, I think. So anyway, that's what I'll be doing. It's getting down to smaller projects, which is kind of cool. Alright, well there is the first attempt at shortening the throttle pedal arm, and I just don't think there's enough. I think I shortened it a little bit too much. There's not enough throw. I have 4 inches of throw for my gas pedal. I think that's a little much. So to lessen the throw of my gas pedal, I'm going to go ahead and increase this another inch up. So that's what I'm going to do. And there's the extended version. That inch did the trick. So the throttle's much better now, and I don't have so much throw over here now with a longer arm over here. So that's floored right there, and that's the max throw on the carburetors. So I think that's good. Now all I got to do is figure out how to get a spoon pedal on there. Alright, I cut a little oval out of some steel, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little bend in it and see how that looks. Alright, got a little bow in it now. All I did was lay it across an open vise and took my ball peen hammer and just tapped it until I got it the way I wanted it. Alright, well there we have it. Installed and done. Still have to paint it when the weather warms up a little bit, but that's how it looks. Operates really smoothly, and when it's floored, that's all the carburetor throw. So seems like it'll work. Okay, so I went in and checked the position of it. When I press my brake, it's really close to my foot. So I'm going to go ahead and bend this over a little bit more and adjust it a little bit better. Alright, I heated, bent, and moved it over a little bit. Throttle is fine there. And then I think I have plenty of clearance there. So now it's done. Thanks for watching.